We scoop out animals in the water.
I'm learning about a lot of like nature stuff, and it's so nice being outside. We found three frogs, but one went in the water, so we couldn't see his head, and then another one popped its head up. So we had this like blanket thing, and we put it under like a tree, and we shaked that branch, and bugs fell out of it, and we looked at the bugs. We got to learn about bugs and insects.
And we also have been like removing invasive species of plants.
We get to color and we get to make things. These bee washers and these books about bugs.
And we really focused on play in these camps and getting the kids outside and doing hands-on activities and kind of working with nature in new ways to get a deeper understanding of how they can interact with nature.
It's one thing to just be out in nature and viewing it and interacting, but it's another thing to have sort of an expert come in and explain it to you and really make those connections.
My wife comes out here for classes now and then, and she just thought it'd be good to send our grandsons to class out here, and so we bought them each a week, and I think they're having a good time.
Because it's just fun to learn about nature. Nature's pretty cool.
When we learn about bugs and plants, and we look around and we take care of the earth.
It's really fun, and it helps you learn to like keep plants, animals, bugs, and nature safe.
We have just such diversity here at Fernwood. I just think it's so important to connect people with nature at a young age so that they will go on to protect it, to share it with others, share what they know with others.
I love Fernwood Summer Camp.
I love Fernwood!
I love Fernwood Summer Camp.
We love Fernwood!
I love Fernwood Summer Camp.
We love Fernwood!